Hey y'all, Cory here with Wilder Gun. Please excuse the lighting. This is like the best room in the house that I can record this in right now, okay? But I wanted to start a brand new series giving you guys pendulum reading tips. And not just reading tips, but other uses for pendulums as well. Just tips and tricks that I've picked up over the last 12 years that I've been working pretty regularly, almost daily, with pendulums, okay? And the reason why I wanted to start this series is because, well, you can only really get better if you practice. So I wanted to give you guys some ideas, particularly exercises that you can do right now, okay, that will help build up your skill with your pendulum. All right, so I have one right here. This is one of my favorite guys. He is made out of a wooden scarab bead. Got a little diffuser bead right here and a little bone bead up at the top. These are Swarovski crystals and pearls. I made this guy myself, okay? I've had him for several years now. But what I want you to do is take a pendulum that you have, and if you don't have one, y'all, you can just grab a stack of buttons and tie it to the end of a string. You can use your favorite necklace. I have a whole video about different things that I've used as pendulums, especially in a pinch, so go check that out if you need some ideas. But I guarantee you have something in your house that can be used as a pendulum, okay? So I want you to grab whatever that is, okay? And whenever you're watching this video, for the full week after, I want you to try this out. Whenever you're about to make a purchase online, you're going online shopping, you're scrolling through Amazon, you know what I mean, right? I want you to grab your pendulum and ask some questions before you hit checkout, okay? Will this item that I'm buying spark joy for me? Will I regret making this purchase? Is the item that I have added to my cart something that I actually need and will use? So there are a lot of questions that you can ask, but basically check in with your higher self before you make an online purchase and see if that makes a difference in what you splurge on or what you impulse buy versus actually purchasing items that you really want or need. All right, I hope this helps, guys. Have a great day.